Hey guys, it's me, Jaycee. Today we're gonna be doing another unboxing. I know a week ago I promised a full review for the Xiaomi AirDots suit, but it was a bit delayed because the first unit that I bought has an issue. What the problem was, the left bud was not producing any bass, so I had to return it. Good thing Michael replaced it. I got the new unit now, so I had a time to finish my review. So I was supposed to shoot my review, but then this product that I ordered came today, so I decided to do the unboxing of this first. Since AirDots review is not yet out, I can also do a comparison with this new unit that I got. So with that out of the way, let's get started. What I have here is the i10 TWS. I know you guys already saw a lot of videos of the i10 TWS here on YouTube, but I wanted to take a look for myself and compare it with the ones that I have right now, which is the AirDots, and also how it performs compared to the Xiaomi Hybrid Pro HD Piston B4. That's a mouthful. And also I can be also testing it with the active noise cancelling version of the Xiaomi. So with that out of the way as well, let's go ahead and open this box. So we got here the box. There's a box. Let's open it up. That's basically it. If you guys don't know what this i10 TWS is, it's an Apple AirPods clone. The i10 TWS has a few features that the original AirPods does not have. For example, it has a USB Type-C for its charging port, and it's also wireless charging. Unfortunately, I don't have any wireless charger lying around, so I wouldn't be able to test that. But the other videos on YouTube has a great part where they demonstrate the wireless charging capability. Out of the case looks more premium compared to the Xiaomi AirDots. You can see there. It's a tad bit shorter, but it's a little bit wider compared to the one. Compared to the Xiaomi AirDots suit, I would say I would like this case much better. Not of the aesthetics, but the build quality. This one is made out of glossy plastic, which is much easier to clean compared to the matte finish of the Xiaomi AirDots, which unfortunately has been one of the cons why you should not get this one. This thing is a dirt and stain magnet. What else do we have in the box? That's basically it. You only get the charging cable and the unit itself. So let's go ahead and check if this thing has charge in it. The first thing I noticed out of the case is that I think someone already touched this because there's a little bit of dirt on the edges, or maybe it's just the build quality itself on how they stick these two pieces of plastic together. I already noticed that the charging pins on this one is very different compared to the original. It does not look like it was made well, but what do you expect? This one is pretty cheap. So let's go ahead and pair this to the phone and listen to the music. On the phone it says to connect this one, when I opened the Bluetooth, I was searching for something like i10, but it prompted the AirPods instead. So right from there you can see that this is really trying to be the AirPods. I got it connected. It was easily connected to the phone. Before I try the music, I'll just see if it connects fast if I try to disconnect it and connect it again. So it got disconnected. Also, it's showing the battery indicator right there. It's full charge. Good thing they shipped this one with a full battery, so I can test it out of the box. Let's go ahead and try to connect it again. This time it's already paired, so it should connect automatically. Okay, got the first pair. Okay, the first thing I noticed when connecting the i10 to the phone is that the voice prompt is in English compared to the Xiaomi AirDots, which was Chinese, and some of you guys don't like Chinese. I don't know why, but it's personal preference. It automatically connected to the phone, and let's go ahead and try the music. What the heck? So I don't know if it's not paired properly, but it's only playing on the left side. Let's try to connect it again. The left bud was the only one that was playing music, so I'm gonna try it again. Maybe it's because I left the other one on the case when I tried to pair it. Okay. Wow, it's pretty decent sound. So I'm gonna make a short comparison compared to the AirDots because I have been using this for 3 days now straight. I can't make any comments regarding the battery, but since it's not those kind of earbuds that fit or go in your ear straight, you can hear a lot of external noise when you're listening. Unfortunately, I wouldn't be able to compare this to an actual AirPods, but I will do my best to compare this to other things that I have, such as the Piston B4 HD Pro and For very equal comparison, I will be using the AirDots. My AirDots i10 that looks like an AirPods. Imagine if you were outside or in your commute, you're gonna be hearing a lot of external noise. It also has a touch. It plays the music. It has a little bit of delay in it. It's not registering sometimes. What? Oh, there. I don't know, maybe there's just a learning curve to it before you master how to. I don't know if it's for aesthetics only, but it has this black dot here on the AirPods. Those should be sensors. The other side also has that black dot. I highly doubt that those are sensors because I don't know if you can see, but there's this gap here where the plastic or the mold was stitched together or stick together. And there's no way they'd be putting a sensor on the part where they put together the pieces of the plastic. So it's probably just aesthetics. I will do my best to test the microphones as well. And if you guys have any questions, recommendations, and how I should test this out, leave them in the comment section below. And for the Xiaomi AirDots review, don't forget to subscribe. I will be posting them shortly. Hopefully I can get this out by 2 days from this video. That's it for today's video. It's pretty short. I just wanted to have something to compare the Xiaomi AirDots on my full review. And the i10 is a good candidate since it is also at the same price point as the Xiaomi AirDots. If you have any questions or suggestions for the full review of the i10 TWS, let me know in the comment section below and I will do my best to include them in the full review. Also, I would like to thank you guys for leaving those comment suggestions on how I should do the review for the AirDots. So that's it for today's video. If you like this video, leave a like. If you dislike this video, you know what to do. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button and I will see you guys on the next one. Peace.